Hello, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ẹ̀kọ́ tèmi. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Hello, welcome to today's lesson. I hope you're good. Dáadáa ni mo wà. I'm good. So today we'll be talking about nature, or rather we'll be learning about things around nature. Trees, wind, the sun, the moon, the rain, and all. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with trees. Igi. Trees. Igi. Flowers. Òdòdó. Flowers. Òdòdó. Sun. Oòrùn. Sun. Oòrùn. Moon. Òṣùpá. Moon. Òṣùpá. Stars. Ìràwọ̀. Stars. Ìràwọ̀. Sky. Òfurufú. Sky. Òfurufú. Wind. Atẹ́gùn. Some people call it afẹ́fẹ́, so you can choose whichever one suits you. Atẹ́gùn or afẹ́fẹ́. Wind. Atẹ́gùn or afẹ́fẹ́. Rain. Òjò. Whirlwind. Ìjì. And then fire. Iná. Okay, so let me just explain. Let me just put them into sentences and let's see how it goes. Trees. Igi. So you can say igi ọsàn. Mo rí igi ọsàn lọ́nà ilé. I saw an orange tree on my way home. Orange means ọsàn in Yoruba. So when you say mo rí igi ọsàn, I saw an orange tree. Igi ọ̀pẹ. Ẹ wo igi ọ̀pẹ yẹn. Look at that palm tree. Ọ̀pẹ is palm in English. Then igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ wo igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Look at that banana tree. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ is banana. So igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Igi is tree. Banana is ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. So igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ wo igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Look at that banana tree. I hope you got that. Okay, so flower. For instance, you can say the flower is beautiful. Òdòdó yẹn rẹwà. Flower is beautiful. Òdòdó. And so in Yoruba land, mostly they use flower to represent things that are beautiful. When they are going to for engagement to marry someone, they'll say, "Àwa láti wá já òdòdó," like we've come to pluck a flower. We've come to take something precious to you. So flower represents something precious and beautiful in Yoruba land. And as we all know, flowers are beautiful. So flowers, òdòdó. Then sun, òrùn. So when you want to say, it's sunset, òrùn ti wọ̀. It's sunset, òrùn ti wọ̀. Then it's sunrise, òrùn ti yọ. The sun is out in the morning, òrùn ti yọ. Sky, òfurufú. Ẹ wo ojú òfurufú. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. Ó rẹwà. Ẹwà is beauty. So when you say look at the sky, it's beautiful. Ẹ wo ojú òfurufú. Ó rẹwà. Then stars, ìràwọ̀, or star, ìràwọ̀. I can say ìràwọ̀ mélòó lo rí? Like how many stars can you see in the sky? Then you say ìràwọ̀ ogún. I can see 20 stars. Wind, afẹ́fẹ́, or atẹ́gùn. So when you want to say it's windy, for instance, you say afẹ́fẹ́ ń fẹ́. Then what else? Rain, rain. Rain is òjò. So if you want to use that in a sentence, you probably say òjò ń rọ̀, it's raining. Òjò ń rọ̀, it's raining. Or òjò ti dá, it has stopped raining. Òjò ti dá, it has stopped raining. Whirlwind, ìjì. Ìjì ń jà. Normally we know that winds are always boisterous. So you use the word jà because jà means fight. So it's boisterous. So ìjì ń jà. And then fire, iná. So when there is fire somewhere, a fire accident or fire is burning somewhere, you say iná ń jó. Iná ń jó. So let's get to the call and response section. How do you say tree in Yoruba? Good job, igi. Trees, igi. Flowers, òdòdó. Yeah, you got it, òdòdó. Sun. Yeah, oòrùn. Moon. Òṣùpá. Yes, you did it. Stars. Yeah, ìràwọ̀. Stars, ìràwọ̀. Yeah, that was awesome. Sky. Òfurufú, awesome. Òfurufú, òfurufú. Rain. Good. Òjò. Rain. Òjò. Then wind. Yes, atẹ́gùn. Then what's another word for rain? What's another word if you don't want to say atẹ́gùn? Can you just try? Afẹ́fẹ́, yeah, you got it. Then what else? Whirlwind. Ìjì. Yeah, ìjì. And then the last but not the least, fire. Yeah, you did it. Ino. Yeah, fire is ino in Yoruba. That was awesome. And it was amazing doing this again today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much. Bye. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan. Ó dàbọ̀.